Alright, we're going to review the mean, median, mode, and range today. So mean is the average of a set of numbers. So you could think of the A in average and the A with mean. To get the average of a set of numbers, let's put down some numbers. If we talk about test scores for a class, you can write down some Alright, so I have a set of numbers here. To get the mean or the average, we need to add up each term that we see here. So let's add up all of these terms. You can use a calculator if I allow it. Of course, on a test, if it's not allowed, you have to just add them up yourself. So 90 plus 89 plus 88 plus 88 again. If there's duplicates, add them in, plus 81 plus 79 plus 74 equals 589. Now let's count the number of terms. Now you'll see I have them already ordered from greatest to least. Remember, we want to always have them ordered. Alright, so greatest to least is the most common method. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms. So we have 7 scores here. So I take the number, my total sum, and I'm going to divide it by the number of scores. I have 7 scores. So take 589 divided by 7. That equals 84.14. So I can just go ahead and round it and say it is approximately 84. Alright, remember our squiggle. It means not quite equal to, but approximately. If we round, it's 84. So our mean or average is 84. That's our mean or average score in the class. Out of 7 scores, our average score was 84. Now if I were to look and say, alright, what is the median? Now remember, the median, we can circle the I for middle. Remember where we're talking about the middle of the highway, the middle of the street, the median. So what are the middle scores? Do we have 1 middle score or do we have 2? Well, we have 7, so let's see, if I did 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here, I do have a middle score. It's 88. I took half of 7, I rounded it to 3, I went forward 1, 2, 3, I went in the back 1, 2, 3. That gave me the middle score of 88. Because I have an odd number of scores, I do have 1 median or middle score. Now if I had an even number of scores, if I had 8 scores, I'd have 2 middle numbers. And then I would have to take the mean. I'd have to add the 2 middle numbers together and divide it by 2 to get the median. But in this case, because I have an odd number, I definitely did have 1 middle number, 88. Now for mode. Mode is the one that happens the most often. So O for often, or most, also has an O. So the most often. Is there a number that repeats itself the most often in our number of scores here? Or in our set of scores? I do. I have an 88 here, and I have an 88 here. Do I have any other number that appears more than twice? No. So 88 is our mode, because it appears most often. Alright, what about now the range? Range, we take the highest score which is 90. So for range, we take the highest score, 90. You're going to subtract the lowest score. Since we ordered it, I just take the first score and the last score, subtract 74. And that gets us our range. 90 minus 74, 16 is our range. All right.